Lord, help me not be a fool. Got my stash, show me what to do. I know life may seem cruel, but I know your plan gon' get me through. Take my heart and make me new. Take my soul and bring it to you. My life, let it be used by you. Lord, help me make room for you to move. Leaning too much on my understanding, yeah. Didn't know the plan from you, so all I could do was panic. But now I can see that you had your hand in. I was too rough and you had to sand it. I see the purpose behind the problems. I'm looking back, look at what your plan did, yeah. Oh, take me away from it all. Show me your grace in it all. I gotta move when you call. Turn me from Saul in the Paul. I for Omega, the world in your paw. But back then I was trapped like it's all.